Hi, in this video we'll go over the OSI model. So you would say, wait, why the heck is Mr. Hacker going over network fundamentals? Or to be more specific, OSI model. As my entire channel is based on hacking, then why this rubbish theory? It's because you will see a lot of YouTube channels explaining NMAP or network scanning. They explain the actual process, like the practical stuff of scanning without going into its details and how everything is happening. So the people who knows how the OSI model works and what the basic of networking are, they do understand, but the other people who don't know these things are not able to understand what's going on. And there are a lot of people who don't have background in IT or networks in general. So to bring everyone on the same page, I want to cover the networking fundamentals first. It would just be 2 or 3 videos, upcoming 2 or 3 videos, not much, but once you are done with it, you will be in a better position to understand more interesting stuff like NMAPs and network scanning, etc. So in these few videos, we'll learn how the OSI model works because it's essential if you're doing a network scan using NMAP or if you're planning to do a custom scan. Because without the OSI model, you will be able to perform a scan, but you won't be able to get info the way you would if you know the OSI model. Anyway, in this video, we'll go over the OSI model generally, like what it is and how it works. And then in the next few videos, we'll go over its layer. In that, we'll just discuss the 2 layers which we need in the network scanning and leave the rest as we don't need them. And if you still want me to explain them, you can leave a comment down below and I will take some time to create some videos on them and explain all of the layers. Anyway, to get things started, by definition, the OSI model, which stands for Open Systems Interconnection, is a reference model for how the application can communicate over a network. It is a framework for engineers to follow when they are creating an application for the communication system. So then the question again comes, why do we even need to look at OSI model? We need to look at it in order to understand NMAP, and we need to understand the flow of packets and how they are sent over a network. So when we are doing a network scan, then there we can figure out what is what, and if we don't know the information of how the data or packets are sent over a network, in that case, if we perform a network scan, we'll get the result, but we won't be able to analyze those results. Anyway, the OSI model is based on 7 layers, which you can see on your screen. But as I have said, we won't be discussing all of the layers here. We'll just discuss network and transport layers, which is used by NMAP and which we would need in network scanning. So in the next video, we'll be looking at network and transport layer. But till then, you can just go and study the OSI model in general by your own and try to figure out how it works if you are interested. If not, you can just watch the next video, which is coming really soon. Anyway, this is pretty much it for this video. If there are some questions, suggestions, let me know. I will try to answer them as soon as I can. Till next time, enjoy hacking, stay cheeky breaky, and peace out.